Dear Manang, there's a fine line between fact and fiction. Something that seems so real can be perceived as untrue and only a myth. The aswang, a Filipino legend, has been feared by many. Stories passed down through the generations up till now is looked at as an urban legend. The story I'm about to tell you is about a group of individuals who come encounter with their own aswang. A couple, Chucky and Angelica, being violently chased out of the forest by an unknown creature. And four unsuspecting friends, Lil and Tommy, Susie and Phil, driving along the road heading to a party.
Hey Phil, what's up with the garlic?
Don't worry about it. She's just a little superstitious.
Yeah, obviously.
Unfortunately, they become easily diverted.
Oh my god! What do you want? Help us! Can we get in your car?
No!
No! What? Just let us in right now! Dude, calm down. What's going on?
No!
Let's get in! Oh my god! Where's the phone?
After you!
Where's the cell phone?
Have a cell phone!
What's wrong?
What's wrong?
There's no reception! Drive! Drive! We got somebody following us, but we don't know who it is! Just drive, please! Just drive!
Fine, I'll drive! Oh my god, I can't move!
Then what are we gonna do here? Just sit here? Okay, there's a house in the back there that we could go to. Guys.
Oh my god.
Okay? You can't go to the house! Don't go!
Yeah, don't go to the house!
Don't!
And stay here and be eaten?
Yeah, but eaten by what?
Whatever's chasing them!
Dude,
Oh my god,
Okay, if you guys want to go to the house, you guys go to the
you know
house.
how dumb you guys look. Let's go!
Oh my, I'm gonna go, you guys stay here.
So they run. Who knows where they are and what they are going to run into, but they do it anyway. Lil and Tommy have been together for almost a year. They may know each other so well, but even Tommy wouldn't have prepared himself for what he was about to hear.
Should we go back there? I mean,
No, I'm not going to that house. Did you see how
we should be
that
safe
house
when we're in here, right?
Yes, we're safer in here. Tommy, I have to tell you something.
What? Is it important to talk about it right now?
Yes, it is. I'm pregnant.
No, you're not. Pregnant women have bellies.
I'm 3 months pregnant, you idiot. And you might be the father.
What do you mean, I might be the father?
Well, it might be you or Jacob.
God, this is so confusing. I really need to pee right now.
You're gonna pee right now.
Yeah, I have to pee.
There's something out there. You're gonna pee.
Yeah.
Fine. Go pee.
Entering the house, they soon find out that they are not the only ones there.
Tommy!
Lil?
Get out, go. Go. Come on. Go out. Go out.
I have to sit. So, why was she looking at you that way?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
It's your fault. This is why we're in this
What are you
house the
talking
first
about?
time.
The car got stuck. What else are we gonna do?
What are you guys running in the first place?
We're trying to get away from this guy.
Aswang. My God. It's killing pregnant people like her. What?
Let's just leave her here.
Yeah, leave her here.
See what you guys done.
What's going on, guys? Lil's dead.
Oh my God. Wait,
Why are your clothes so wrinkled like that?
where is
What?
Lil?
Lil is dead.
We need to run. Come on, are you serious? Let's get the hell out of here now. Let's go.
Phil is a go-getter. He's always quick to find a solution.
Wait, where are you going? No. I gotta see. I mean, what are they gonna do anyway? I'm not. Are you crazy?
Usually.
Forget it. Let's go. Run this way, guys. Just let him go. Just let him go.
Why would he even think of separating from them? He's not thinking right. Separating from the group could have been the worst decision of his life, and it was.
Oh my God. Oh my God. What the hell was that?
Time passes by quickly. The group finds themselves back in the forest, knowing that something could be lurking out there.
I'm tired. Coming.
She trips accidentally, but quickly finds herself alone.
What's your mother, was you crazy psycho?
And they run.
Oh no, it's coming.
One by one, they get separated.
Angelica! Chucky! Angelica! I'm gonna fucking die!
Chucky and Angelica now find themselves in a parking lot. Salvation is in sight. Or is it?
How the hell do you turn on this thing? Don't start it. Here.